Hi, Beth Dotson here with HomeZada. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to talk about project templates inside HomeZada and why they make project planning and project management so much easier. So HomeZada has over 60 project templates that are common to projects in the United States in its system. And the reason why we do this is because we understand that not everybody comes from a construction or a project management background, and we want to assist people in making sure they are managing their projects with the amount of detail that they need, the thoroughness they need, so that their project goes smoothly and also stays in budget. So why is it so important to use HomeZada's project templates? Because there's a couple things we do to help people manage this project. The first thing we do is we identify all the items you need for this particular project. Most people leave out the items they need for their project, and it costs them more money to finish the project or frustration because they didn't know what they needed. So we identify all the different items you need. The second thing we do is we identify all the tasks that you need to manage those projects. And we manage those tasks whether you decide to DIY it, so do it yourself, or you hire a contractor, and those tasks are slightly different depending on which model you choose. But we do identify with those, and there's a process to those tasks because most of those tasks happen step by step by step. The third area that we do is we allow you to track as many documents as you need about this project. And what we mean by that is if you get a permit, you take it and you put it in the system. If you've got a contractor contract, then you put it in the system. If you've got any other types of details like schematics or engineering documents, or even you hired an architect for this project, you can put all of that information inside HomeZada in the document section of your project so that you know where it is in one clean central location. The fourth area that you can do with the project area of HomeZada is you can track your before and after photos. How much fun is this? To see what your project was and then to see what it is really impressive. But remember, take those before and after. Take those before and after photos, but remember the before photos. So many people forget those. So those are the key areas of HomeZada that really make it valuable. Now there's some bonus areas that also happen in HomeZada that could be valuable to you. First of all, when you're finished this project, if you walk through the wizard, HomeZada will offer you the opportunity to update your home inventory. So let's say you did a bathroom remodel. The system will ask you, do you want to update your home inventory? And you've gutted the whole thing and you've completely changed it. You can simply say yes, and the system will update your home inventory. You can then take that information and send it to your insurance company to make sure you're covered. Most people forget about that after a project, so I just want to remind everybody that's really important. So not only do you have the project details and it's a completed project, but you've also identified and updated your home inventory simply by clicking a button. The other bonus thing that you can do is when you're ready to sell your house, you can take this data and you can actually transfer it to the new homeowner. The new homeowner can then manage all the details about the property, and most importantly, they have a lot of this project detail. So they now know what finishes you picked, how much the items cost, they identify which contractor did the work if ever they need to hire them back. They have all the permits in case those things come up from the county or state, etc. So all of this information is in the fingertips, not only of yourself while you're managing your home, but also in the new homeowner's fingertips so that they can continue to manage the home. And that's what's really, really important for everyone. Home management needs to be easier, and that's what we're trying to do. I'm just looking at some notes, so hold tight on this. And I think I'm done with that. So the big point is all of these different tips make managing your home and your projects so much easier. So using HomeZada's project templates, you will have not only an easier planning process for that project, but you will also have an easier project management process of the project. And so both are necessary so that you can stay in budget and you can stay on task with your project, whether you do it yourself or whether you hire a contractor. So I hope you find these tips helpful. If you want to check out more with regards to HomeZada's project planning and project templates, I invite you to visit www.homezada.com, and you can see information about the home improvement section of our our application, or you can visit other videos here at YouTube, www.youtube.com/HomeZada. Have a wonderful day, and please, by all means, let us know if you have any questions. You can reach us at info@homezada.com.